So I think there's a couple of things. I think the first challenge is a challenge that's been affecting payroll bureaus historically, and that is about recruitment and retention of staff. I'm really passionate about apprenticeships and about bringing new people into the industry rather than the traditional approach of let's go and find somebody. So I think that's a real challenge for payroll bureaus, is how they develop their new employees coming through, whether it's on a trainee program, in-house program, or whether it's through apprenticeships, obviously utilising ACT all the way through. But I also think the advent of, and really the introduction in 2026 of payroll benefits in kind is going to have a big effect as well, because it's going to change the way in which bureaus specifically start to price their offering. And I think you'll also find that bureaus will be a lot more in demand because of payroll and benefit in kind.